Ever wondered how you can start investing while still in your teens? Well, it's possible, and we're here to tell you how. Picture this. You're a teenager in the prime of life, with dreams as big as the sky. You've heard about investing, but it seems like something distant, something meant for adults, right? Not quite. The truth is, investing is not an exclusive club for grown-ups. It's a journey that can start as early as your teenage years. Why should you start investing at such a young age, you ask? Well, the answer lies in the magic of compounding. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. It's like planting a seed and watching it flourish into a mighty tree. Investing is not just about making money, it's about securing your future, achieving financial freedom, and turning dreams into reality. So, are you ready to start your journey to financial freedom? Let's dive in. Before we start, it's crucial to understand the fundamentals of investing. Imagine the world of investing as a vast ocean, full of different species. Stocks are like the big fish. They can make a big splash and bring high returns, but they can also be volatile. Bonds, on the other hand, are the steady turtles, generally safer, but with lower returns. Interest rates are the currents that move these creatures. They influence the cost of borrowing and the return on savings, affecting how enticing an investment might be. And just like a balanced ecosystem is vital for the ocean, diversification is crucial for your investment portfolio. It's about spreading your investments across different assets to manage risks and potential returns. Making informed decisions is key. It means doing your homework before diving in. Research, plan, and then act. Because the ocean can be unpredictable, but with knowledge and strategy, you can navigate it with confidence. Now that we've got the basics down, let's move on to the practical steps. With the basics under your belt, it's time to get into the nitty-gritty of investing as a teenager. First things first, you have to set your financial goals. Are you saving for your college education? Or perhaps for that dream car you've been eyeing? Maybe you're even thinking long-term, like retirement. Yes, it may sound too early to think about retirement now, but remember, the earlier you start, the larger your nest egg could be. Next, it's time to do your homework. Research the different types of investments available. You've got stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and even real estate. Each one has its own level of risk and potential returns. So it's crucial to understand what each investment type entails and how it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Now that you're armed with knowledge and clear goals, it's time to set up an investment account. This might require the help of an adult, depending on where you live. But don't worry, it's a straightforward process. You'll need some basic personal information, proof of identity, and an initial deposit. Once your account is set up, it's time for the exciting part, making your first investment. Remember, it's not about making a quick buck, it's about investing in your financial future. So, choose wisely. Start small, diversify your portfolio, and remember to stay patient. Investing is a long game after all. And there you have it. You've just navigated the basics of investing as a teenager. But remember, this is just the beginning. As you grow older and your finances become more complex, you'll need to adjust your investment strategy accordingly. But for now, congratulations. You're on your way to becoming an investor. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and you've just taken your first step towards becoming an investor. You might be asking, why start investing so early? Well, let's find out. The secret lies in the magic of compounding. Compounding, in simple terms, is the process where the return on your investment, in turn, earns a return. So, you're not just earning from your initial investment, but also from the returns that investment has already generated. It's a snowball effect, really. Now, here's the interesting part. The longer the time frame, the more powerful the compounding effect becomes. Starting early gives you the advantage of time, and time can be your biggest ally when it comes to investments. Imagine having a snowball at the top of a long hill. The sooner you push it down, the bigger it gets by the time it reaches the bottom. That's the power of starting early. So the earlier you start, the better. Remember, time is money, and in this case, quite literally so.